Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Chrysler 300S all-wheel drive, stock number E2239P. 23,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 300S has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifter for the 8-speed automatic transmission, 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. And a spacious glove box. Here, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this 300 has a 3.6 liter V6, 300 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.